I want to do this video about keylogger. What is a keylogger? Hi, this is Mike Lacasio. I'm from mslcomputerservice, and my channel is about how to help people with their computer for maintenance and repair their computer. And today I'm going to be talking about keyloggers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. I come out with videos a couple times a week, and I'm glad you're here. Keylogger is short for keylogger. It's a software that tracks or logs the keystrokes on your keyboard. Typically, you don't know your actions are being monitored. That's kind of scary. Keylogger can either be hardware or it can be software. And it tracks and logs all your keystrokes. And that can be a bad thing. If you have it on your computer, people can get your passwords, and after your passwords, they can get your banking information. And it's definitely a form of malware. It's a form of a virus also. And keylogger can be hardware or software, either one. And to stop hardware keylogger, you'll need a keyword scrambler software. And Malwarebytes anti-root has a free version. You can run that, and if it finds any keyloggers on there, it will remove them. And Norton Power Eraser also is a program. I'm not sure if they have a free version or not, but Norton Power Eraser does the same thing. It'll find and remove keyloggers on your computer. And Kaspersky is another one. If you do a security scan on there, it will get rid of your keylogger. It'll scan and detect, kind of like Malwarebytes does. Malwarebytes keylogger version, keyroot version will do, and it will scan your complete hard drive. If it finds any kind of infections, it'll save those, and if it finds a keylogger, it will let you know during the scan and also after the scan, and it'll give you tips to remove it and what you do to quarantine it. Quarantine is a form of removal. What that is when you're doing quarantine, what it does is it puts it in a folder where it can't harm your computer. So you really want to check and see if you have any keyloggers on your computer, because your passwords are at risk, your banking is at risk, any personal information is at risk. I tell you to protect you, not to scare you in any way, but this is the actual threat. They've been around for a long time. They're not as popular now as they used to be, but does that mean, that if people can't send out a keylogger and scan your computer? No, people can still do that. And I would recommend you running one of these programs and checking to see if you have any on your computer. And that's a big form of being safe on the internet, because we all know that you have to have an antivirus. I always specify about that. And you want to have the latest definition files. Like I tell people to use Avast or AVG free version, and they have definition files even on the free version. And your antivirus is only as good as those updated files that come out. So make sure you click on those update on the antivirus and update those definition files, because those are what protects you from any threats. And it's the same thing with any software program that's a virus remover or spyware remover. If there's an update, make sure you update it, especially with antiviruses, because every month or so they come out with new updates and you have to continually update. Now, if you have a paid version, a lot of paid versions, as long as your computer's on, they'll update for you. You won't have to update. A lot of paid versions just do it automatically. When it sees you need a new update and one came out, they'll put it on there for you. So if you got any value out of this video, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the bell notification and check out my videos. I have a lot of videos that will help you with your daily computer use and to be safe online. So once again, this is Michael Cassio from MSL Computer Service. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.